Hi everyone, welcome to the week 1 recap and week 2 directions. For week 1, it was wonderful to read all of your introductions, your get acquainted information. It just seems there's such a wealth of working with young people that you have all brought to the table for this class, and that will certainly serve you well as we're doing this class. You did a great job with your responses to each other, and I'm just in the process of scoring your history tables. Thus far, they look great. Whenever you don't get a perfect score, I always will put down anything you have that was missing that caused any deductions. So just know to look for that. So we're going to look at week 2 now. There's first a standards-based education video link. Get this over just a tad little bit. There we go. So you'll watch this video that's part of YouTube. That'll help get you going, give you a little more information about standards-based education. And then this says it's a licensure area paper. It's a reading response. And so the reading response rubric counts for that. So it will be in paper form, APA style. So make sure you pull that rubric out as you are looking to do this particular assignment. Notice it gives you the directions where you click to actually submit the assignment, to go to the ODE website, explore state standards, and so on and so forth. Answer the questions. What are the state standards? Why were they created? What do you like about them? What do you worry about or don't like about them? And it's worth 100 points total, and you'll drop it into this slot. There's also a discussion forum for this upcoming week. Just like the other one, your original post is due on Tuesday and response is due on Thursday. Now, I try to keep these the way your class times would be, so that you would have the things due at that time anyway, instead of everything all at once. So what you're going to be doing for this post is you're going to research standards-based education. The discussion rubric will be used, and make sure that you look at it about length and APA and so on to answer that. You have one response this week, not two. One response to that. So I think that's really everything that I wanted to share with you for this week. It's been great to get to start to know all of you. Excuse me, and I look forward to continuing to work with you. I've got a lot of people that have emailed since we started. That's fine. I am always glad to be able to listen to any questions or concerns you might have about assignments. I do want to say one last thing. This is in regards to attendance. This is typically a traditional course, a face-to-face course for traditional students. And this one is not due to some parameters with who's teaching the course and so on. So I just wanted to let you know that, say you have a paper that's due on Tuesday or a discussion forum or whatever, and you haven't gotten that done because you're ill or you've had some sort of an emergency, make sure you contact the nurse and have them email me to let me know that, so that I can grant you an extension if you definitely need one. Otherwise, just do your best, because it is not a class that you're going to get lecture from and go back and forth. It can be done anytime. So you look at the information you need, you research what you need, and make sure you get your post. That'll save you from anything being late to begin with, since this is an online course. Anyway, I hope all of you are doing great. Enjoy your upcoming week and this beautiful day today on Friday. And I look forward to finishing scoring the rest of your ECA tables soon. Thanks, and have a great day.